Hey, it's Crystal Haynes. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to turn a purse strap into a belt, stick around. I'll show you exactly how to do that. I have two outfits. I have a dress and then I have a jeans and t-shirt. I don't know why I did that with my arms. I was trying to show off how boxy that dress was. It's a sweater dress. It's really cute, but it doesn't really have much shape to it. So I'm just going to take the purse strap here and with the spring hooks at the ends, and I'm going to put it around my waist. And all I'm going to do is just snap the spring hooks together. And the really cool thing about these adjustable straps is that you can adjust it to whatever size you need. So I know a lot of belts have those holes in them that you can put the prong into, but with this one you don't have to. And I like to turn this belt around and actually spread it out a little bit. That way it gives it a little bit more character and it's able to hold you in pretty well. And the next outfit is a casual one, just jeans and a t-shirt, and super basic, but the red belt helps hold the jeans up. And the same exact thing, I just feed it through the actual loops of the pants of the jeans, and it fits through pretty good. And just like we did before, just attach the two spring hooks together, and there we go, boom. And you can turn it around, slide it through the belt loops and adjust it to whatever you need, and then you can slide it back. I actually like the two spring hooks in the front. I think it looks cute. I don't know, what do you think? But that's basically it. We are good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at 15 and 15.